What's up, Battle Buddies? Today we're at Imaginarium here in Northern California, specifically in the Cal Expo area. We're here to see lights.
Well, not those kinds of lights. These kinds of lights. Presenting Utopia, which is bigger than ever, is the largest light show in California and now the entire US, or so they claim, boasting over 15 million lights. So much electricity is involved that it delayed its opening day by a few days. This is our first time attending this event, and after some time, I think we are finally ready to go exploring.
Just like all of you, we are understanding of the stressors that the holiday season brings to everyone with shopping, family dynamics, just the hard struggles that people don't understand during the holidays that other people may be going through. So we thought we would bring you guys some joy. Just follow along with us as we walk through the lights. It always brings us joy. Unfortunately, it is much colder here in Sacramento this weekend. So we're gonna embrace it, but come join us in this winter wonderland of lights. Now our theme here is Utopia. Every other location does have their own theme, but the way the weather is in Sacramento, they really should have called this one a winter wonderland. Like it just, you see just how cold it is with everyone.
It's, wow. We're barely in the entrance and it looks amazing.
Yeah, we're not even by the fountain. One thing I will say, the music's not really getting me in the Christmas spirit though. It's like rock music kind of. I'm not.
Like who they should play?
Cascade Christmas, they should.
Christmas.
Even some classic Christmas I would be okay with, but this just seems like rock music so far. Maybe it'll change once we get through different areas. And of course, similar to when you come to Cal Expo for Foodie Land, they do allow different vendors to set up so they can find different things to shop for. Right here they have some blankets, and then across the way they have like little plushies, looks like little beanies. So we don't want to get too close. A lot of people are taking photos, but off to the side, to the left of the fountain, you can see a lot of the different photo op boxes, each one with a different theme. So a great place to get your Instagram photos. Unfortunately, they don't allow selfie sticks, which if they have these Instagrammable boxes to take photos, you would think a selfie stick would allow that to be easier for everyone.
Yeah, like, I mean, I kind of wasn't in the mood to argue with anybody, but they told us no selfie sticks. I told them it's not a selfie stick, it's a charger pack for the DJI Pocket 3, but that's fine. However, I would say what the Imaginarium could have done is put like selfie sticks already there,
yes.
like permanent selfie sticks, right?
So
that
you
way
could
you can just plug your phone in there and take your photos that way.
And here we spoke a little too soon. On the website, it specifically states that the event staff is also available to assist with taking photos using your device. There was no event staff available.
I mean, that could have
adjust it if you want.
Because like us, we're just a family of 3 and we don't ever really have anyone with us to get a full family photo. Contrary to popular belief, you know, we are a little shy to ask random strangers to take photos of us. So that would help families out here getting photos.
If you haven't prepared your Christmas cards, not that we do that, I mean, but if we did, this would be a great place to start. They have the little photo boxes here, so you can go ahead and grab your photo and then print it out at Walgreens or whatever and create your Christmas card.
Or do digital ones too, where you could just email them off to everyone that you know.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth
And they also have food trucks and food vendors available. So basically to where the fountain is when you first walk in, they even have the mini donuts. It looks like they have some different sandwich options, Chinese food, your typical fair food. So if fair food is not like your go-to meal, maybe eat before you come. But overall, they do have food and drinks here available if you guys get hungry while visiting the Imaginarium.
They know what they're doing here at the Imaginarium, food-wise. Oh, light-wise too, but food-wise, they even have pho. So if you're cold and you forgot to eat something, they have hot foods here and ramen.
So as we mentioned earlier, that the theme for Imaginarium and Cal Expo this year is Utopia. It changes every year. I'm not much getting the theme, but I guess I don't know Utopia very well.
Utopia is like a wonderful place. People usually say the highest value is love. And
Like-
if love was the highest value, quite literally, then love would be just everywhere.
Yeah. It's like everything is just,
What Aaliyah just said, wow. I was gonna say something stupid, but wow, Aaliyah.
it's supposed to be like a perfect world.
Where love
Like,
is everywhere.
Yeah. So they have the Cupid and then they have the tunnel, the heart tunnel for the tunnel of love. And so basically the Cupid is shooting the couples with the love arrows as they're walking through the tunnel of love, making them all fall back in love. So be careful who you walk through that tunnel with because you might walk out with a new boo.
Or actually with your couple, your partner.
Yeah, you go in there with someone else and
Oh, shoot. This isn't bad. I'm
so as you walk around, they have like a fairy tale section. They also have, I guess, like a, what was it? Like a sweets candy land. And now we're going into fantasy land, I guess, more. Yeah, fantasy. So Zelda, Link, dragons, unicorns. Kind of like EDC. This, because they have the flower with the face on it over there, reminds me of EDC.
What is this at?
The blue flower,
Oh, yeah.
the center of it's
Kind
a
of,
face.
yeah.
So this is basically like EDM music festival decorations. Oh my God, but the animatronic of the dragon over there? Okay, we have to go check out the dragon.
Me a little bit ago.
Oh, shoot.
So they have multiple dragon animatronics, and this one might be my favorite. He looks very like winter-esque.
There's also a lot of floral designs in the spring.
Their eyes light up too, and it's all glittery.
Oh, we also have like antlers.
Yeah. It looks like it normally would blow out smoke too, because it has something in its mouth, but I guess it might be too cold for it to do that. And then of course we kept hearing a sound in the distance, and this dragon over here sounds like Blue from Jurassic World.
Don't break it.
So earlier how we were saying the dragon sounded like Blue, they actually have little velociraptor, and I don't know what dinosaur that one is.
It looks a little bit malformed. This one over here looks kind of realistic to what Blue would look like.
It even has the blue stripe down it, and then the piranha plant. So the sound realistically of Blue should be back here and not up in the front where the dragon is. So back here, back where the fantasy area is, they have more of those photo op boxes, all of different colors and styles. And then they have little immersive rooms, like little pop-up rooms. So we're gonna see, the lines are very long, but we're gonna see if we can get into any of them and see what they look like. Maybe it'll be warm in there too. If the lines for those are just way too packed in the front, wait till you get in because these are completely empty. And to me, they're kind of themed nicer, a little cleaner looking.
Yeah, they look newer.
More aesthetic, and the lighting is a little better. So if the lines in the very front seem to be too long, just make your way to the back and you'll find plenty more to get your photo options.
Oh, call me Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lonely exile here until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee.
So you color them. They have coloring sheets of fish that you can color out in the front, and those are the fish you're seeing. So like this is a regular one, but then you'll see like ones that they've colored. See? That's some of them are ones that like
The barely colored ones.
yeah, look. Some are actually colored and then
All right, that's pretty.
this is really interactive.
Can't touch them. They don't like it.
Zoom.
That fish.
Look, this is a face on a fish. Oh.
I haven't seen another location do something like this. This is pretty cool. This is cool, yeah.
Because at first you walk in and you're like, oh, it's an aquarium. But no, look, these are all the fish people have colored.
Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel.
When you turn the corner, you think you've seen it all. And once again, when you thought you've seen it all, you haven't. Right by the exposition center, they also have ice skating. Freaking ice skating. And it is cold enough to actually do that.
Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice.
And then, of course, for those families who they cannot bring their children to the fairgrounds without letting their children ride some rides, they do have rides for the children to ride. Ferris wheel, some of the typical carnival rides. And it seems like maybe some of the carnival games as well. So it's basically like the carnival or a fair, but with Christmas lights. It's like a Christmas carnival.
All right, guys, this concludes our first time ever at the Imaginarium here in California, here in Sacramento. So we've been here about 2 hours. It is pretty cold, pretty chilly. There's a lot to do, a lot to see. A lot of the show times kind of didn't match up to like what we were doing. I mean, we still wanted to look at everything. Yeah. So I would say probably come here on days that they close later, maybe like during the weekday, Friday. I think Friday and Saturday, they close an hour later. For us, it's Sunday today, and the work week starts tomorrow, so I don't want to be out here too late. So.
And for it being a Sunday, it is still packed here. So give yourself time to fully take it all in, even with crowds.
Mm-hmm.
But that'll be it for us. We didn't get to do the ice skating and,
Not that we were gonna do that anyway.
No, it's just too cold, and
I don't know how to ice. I don't even know how to roller skate.
my bones will break. But kudos to all those that were out there. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this type of content, feel free to give us a subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy
Bye.
holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.